equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 has a screen issue, follow these steps. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off the laptop and unplugging it. Remove the back panel using the appropriate screwdriver. Be careful with the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, visually inspect the internal components for any loose connections or damage. If you see dust, gently clean the area with a soft cloth. Next, check the screen connection. If it's loose, reconnect it securely. If the screen is cracked, you may need a replacement. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Once you've completed the repair, reassemble the laptop and power it on. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair. Enjoy your fully functional Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.